Hello friends, very good morning to all of you. I am very energetic and passionate with a new topic today, and that is construction management. Friends, when we start the project starts with the engineering, and engineering gives the deliverables for construction to start the construction. What happens that when you start the engineering, in a petrochemical complex, refinery complex, it starts from the process. Process is one department who take the initiative and make the start the project with material balance, energy balance, hydraulics checking, and P&ID. All these things are made by him. That P&ID, which is the most important document, is the input for other discipline like electrical, mechanical, instrument, and piping. But the civil is one other department which comes in the picture in the last, where the maximum feedback to civil goes from piping or mechanical. Friends, the important thing is that when you start any EPC project, all the things goes together. Engineering goes together, procurement goes together, and construction goes together. After some time, after few months, all are going on. And the construction people wants the construction drawing, and they want to start the civil job first, and basically UG job. And in UG comes in the picture in the engineering sequence in the last. But the construction people wants to start the construction the first. So there is a big challenge for engineering discipline to give the support to construction contractor. Normally, when we start, we give the bulk MTO where they can buy the piping, fittings, cabling, all these things they can purchase, support structures, and civil structures and all that. But the start the fabrication of anything, they need the isometrics, they need the drawings, and that is the challenge. Normally, when we give anything to the construction, that will be 100% usable, and should not be any rework, because that is a big loss. So in engineering we have model review, we have a job, and there is sequence of activities involved. After that we issue the deliverables, and also we have to follow the procurement, which is also the driving force for the construction, because ultimately all the long lead item or short lead items, whatever is there, has to be delivered in time, so that our goal can be accomplished together. So in engineering is a very, very important to support our internal team and external teams. We have to manage the procurement, vendors, all the stakeholders together, client and everyone. And the procurement team also in the loop wants all the data sheet, MRQ, TV, so that they can order in time to get the delivery of the material in time. So the basic thing of today's lecture is that engineering is very, very important for and very helping to procurement and construction, and ultimately the projects to complete in time. Today, the scenario has changed. we start everything together. For the limited time we have, 2 years maximum time we have for the projects to complete entirely, and all the input has to come on time, and everyone has to be involved and has to be delivered. There is no gap, there is no have mismatch. Everything should be one time and right time, the first time and right time. This is the theory we live in engineering department. So my point is that engineering is the very very and important for any projects to complete in time. Anything we have to follow the specs, we have to follow the um, uh, company policy, we follow the quality and safety requirements, we follow each and everything which is part of the company compliance, and with that we have to deliver everything in time. This is the in brief about engineering functions and their value addition to procurement and construction. That's all for today. Thank you very much.